Good morning dear students. So this is your EVS class and today we are going to start new chapter of your EVS book, The Earth and the Sky. You know children, we all live on Earth. So what is the Earth? Let's see children. This is Sun and these are the planets. Let's count how many planets are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And children, this is Earth. Third number planet is Earth. And children, life is possible in only Earth. Why? Because children, Earth has air, water and life. That is very essential for, these are very essential things for us. So children, this is the picture of Earth. Now you can see what is the shape of this Earth. Yes, this is round in shape. And children, now you can see it's covered with water and land. 70% water in this area and land 30% in this area. And you know children, we all live here on land. Okay? And this part is water and this planet is also called a blue planet. Why? Because it is covered with water. 70% covered with water. And land is 30%. So life is possible is only in this planet. And you know children, Earth is one of the 8 planets that move around the sun. Okay? So now we will do reading and explanation of this chapter.
Space and small objects, means small things, cannot be seen from there. So children, this picture is taken from the space. So small things we cannot see. As you can see here, the earth is covered with land and water. Most of the earth is covered with water. Therefore, it is called the blue planet. Children, our earth is called a blue planet. Why? Because children, most of the earth is covered with water. Earth is one of the 8 planets that move around the sun. So children, this we have already discussed 8 planets already. And children, all the planets move around the sun. The sun gives us light and heat. We need to live on the earth. There is a layer of air around the earth which gives us oxygen to breathe. And children, oxygen is very important for our life. And now you can see this is the layer of air, okay, around the earth. Now next page. Earth has air, water, heat and light, which are required for living. Therefore, our planet is a unique planet. Earth is the only known planet to have life on it. So children, have you ever thought why we live on earth? Because children, it has air, water, heat and light which are required, means very necessary for us, for living beings. Therefore, our planet is a unique planet. इसीलिए इसको यूनिक प्लैनेट कहते हैं, बिकॉज अर्थ इज द ओनली known planet to have life on it. Okay students, now next para. Earth has plenty of resources. Plenty of resources means बहुत सारी चीज़ें, important things. Let's see. Different kinds of trees and plants grow on land. An area that is thickly covered with trees is called a forest. The forests are homes to many animals and birds. So children, different kinds of trees and plants grown on the land and which are very important for us. We get so many things from plant. This we have already discussed in our previous classes. And you know children, an area that is thickly covered, thickly means घना, बहुत ज़्यादा घना. You can see thickly green covered area with trees is called forest. Now you can see this is a picture of a forest, and children, the forest are homes of many animals and birds. Now you can see in this picture. The parts of the earth covered with water has ocean, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. So children, mostly part of earth is covered with the water like ocean, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Now you can see in this picture, this is the picture of river, lake. The water we drink usually comes from rivers and lakes. Yes children, only water we can drink which comes from rivers and lakes, because children, sea's water we cannot drink because it is salt in taste. Okay. Now next page. The land on the earth is not the same everywhere. It is flat at some places. Flat like children, this is the flat area. Okay. At some places it is raised. The raised parts of land are called hills and mountains. Now you can see children, these are the raised part of the earth and this is called hills and mountains. Okay. So this we have finished children. Now next we will do in our next previous class. I hope you enjoy the chapter. You also read this chapter nicely. Thank you for today. God bless you.